Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to download Zoom meeting application in your Mac. Now, if you're wondering that downloading the application is not a big deal because we can simply go to App Store and we can search for Zoom meeting over here like this, then you're wrong, because if you search for Zoom meeting, there is no official application over here on the App Store. Then how can you download it? See, the process is actually very simple. All you have to do is just simply open any particular browser and search for Zoom meeting for Mac. And once you search for it, you will get a direct link to download Zoom for Mac. You can simply select this link. You can go to the next page, and if you go down, you can see there is an option of Zoom Workplace for Mac. Now there are two options. One is download for Apple Silicon and another one is download for Intel. So if you're using older MacBook which has Intel chip inside it, you can select this option. But if you are using Mac which has Apple Silicon or Apple chipset, you can select download for Apple Silicon. As soon as you tap on it, you can see the download will start automatically. If you want to check out the progress, you can click on that and you can see if the file is downloaded or not. Now once the file is downloaded, just simply select the file and it will take you to installation process. Select continue over here, and if you want to install this for all users on your Mac, you can select this option. But if you want to install it for one particular user, and the second option is install for me only. So if you want to install it for only your particular account, then select this option. After that, again select continue. If you want to change install location, you can do that. I'm just going to install it right away. Once the installation is complete, you will get a successful message like this. You can close the application. If you want to delete the installer file, you can select move bin option. But if you want to keep it, you can select keep option. Now you can see automatically it has opened up the app over here. Just complete the sign in process and you're good to go. You can start using Zoom application in your Mac. Next thing is, if you're using the application, you will be able to see it on your dock. But if you quit it like this, then it is gone. If you want Zoom app to be on dock, then just simply go to launchpad or applications like this and click and hold Zoom app and drag it to dock and leave it like this. So even if you are not using that application, it will still be in dock and you can access it easily. So yes, that's how simple it is to download Zoom application in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.